If you do this with everyone you see every week, it would be unreasonable for you not to make $10,000 this year. If you want to make 10K selling what you make, I think this is the best year to do it.
Welcome to 2024. This is going to be a year to remember.
Our customers are excited about this year.
Yep.
We're excited about this year. I can just feel it. I mean, we just shipped $1,000 worth of product on the first business day of 2024. Welcome to 2024. First day of the year. We're back at it. I think we got like 10 boards to do today. I'm super excited.
I know it's only January, but man, there is so much opportunity out there in 2024.
Yeah, every time you get off the phone with a customer, you just talk about how eager everybody is to invest in their success this year in 2024.
They really are. They're calling it the year. They're like, this is the year I do it. This is the year I invest in my clients and I grow big. Everybody is so excited.
I really hope you're feeling the same way. If you're a maker and you want to make $10,000 this year, we know you can do it.
There are so many people out there that want to buy high quality handmade goods.
And we have a method to guarantee how to do that in 2024. Today, we're gonna help a lot of people with this video. We're gonna christen a lot of brand new business owners today because we're gonna be giving away the secret formula that's helped us make $10,000 50 times in our businesses. This is our most tried and true method to make cash in a slump or reach a goal that we're just inches away from meeting and we just need a little bit of money to hit that next level.
If you want to make $10,000 or more this year, the first step is to pick what you want to sell. I mean, duh, I'm sure this isn't the first time that you've ever thought about that. You probably know what you really enjoy making.
And that's the key. There's a catch. We've got to just pick one kind of thing that we enjoy making. Look, if you're going to make $10,000 this year, you're going to make a lot of it. So you better really enjoy making whatever it is you pick that you want to start selling. And the next step is just to go tell people about it.
As many people as you possibly can.
Somebody out there is searching the aisles of Target looking for something that they really want you to make for them, but they just don't know you exist. So go out there and get known.
If you talk to enough people, someone will like what you make and want to buy it.
Friends, family, co-workers, new people that you meet, literally anybody that you talk to in 2024 needs to know that your business exists. Here's how you can get some word of mouth buzz going about your business every single day of 2024. Without sounding pushy or without sounding weird, when you see someone and they ask how you're doing, I want you to shake their hand, look them right in the eye and say, I'm doing great. I just started selling what I make.
And naturally, the next thing they're going to do in the conversation is ask, oh, well, what do you make?
And then you just tell them what you make. Like for me, I would tell someone, oh yeah, I started making these really nice luxury cutting boards and we laser engrave somebody's name on the front. Bonus points. People love looking at pictures. If you've got pictures on your phone, show them pictures on your phone. They're gonna ooh and ah over your pictures a little bit and then you just ask really casual. You just say, hey, do you know anybody that might need something like this? Just like that. I just say it really casually. Hey, do you know anybody that might need something like this? You're not trying to make a sale, you're not trying to corner them, you're not trying to make them buy something right then and there on the spot. You're just asking if they know anybody that needs something like that.
If they know someone that needs what you make, ask for an introduction. And if they don't know anybody, they'll keep you in mind and bring you back up once they find somebody that needs what you make.
But best case scenario, which is gonna happen if you do this enough, the person you're talking to is the person that needs something like that, and you've just made a sale without even trying, without sounding salesy, without sounding pushy. If you do this with everyone you see every week, it would be unreasonable for you not to make $10,000 this year. And I know what you're thinking, what if I run into the same person twice? Well, just show them some updates on what you built last weekend to remind them. I promise, they won't mind. Your product doesn't need to be any better. It's already perfect the way it is for somebody else.
You're probably thinking, yeah, this might work every once in a while, but it's gonna get old fast. Yeah, it will.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie to you. This is the worst part about running a business. It's why they say boredom kills more dreams than failure. So we have to stay motivated during the slumps, during the dry spells. And we do that with encouragement from our friends who run businesses. I mean, watch some of our videos. We'll encourage you. But that's where I want to talk to the people who've been following us for a little while. If you're new, this advice will work for you. Please take it, run with it. We're genuinely rooting for you.